CIBC Aeroplan Visa Infinite Card Honest Review and User Experience. Is it worth it? Travel credit cards promise big rewards, but not all of them deliver real value. I've been using the CIBC Aeroplan Visa Infinite Card for a year, and here's my honest review, including what works, what doesn't, and if it's actually worth it. Most people think Aeroplan points are hard to redeem, but the surprising truth is that CIBC has made it much easier. You earn 5 points per dollar on gas, groceries and Air Canada purchases, and 1 point on everything else. For frequent travellers, that adds up fast. The welcome bonus was a major highlight. I received over 20 Aeroplan points after meeting the initial spend, enough for a short-haul round-trip flight. One underrated perk is free checked bags on Air Canada flights. That saved me a round per trip. The card also includes strong travel insurance up to $1 million in emergency medical coverage plus trip interruption and rental car protection. What I liked most was the seamless integration with the Aeroplan app. You can track points, view flight options, and redeem for upgrades directly. The only downside is that some flight redemptions include carrier surcharges, so it's best to book through Star Alliance partners when possible. The annual fee is, but you can often get waived for the first year. Given the value of the perks, the card more than pays for itself if you travel at least twice a year. Overall, the CIBC Aeroplan Visa Infinite is one of Canada's best travel cards for everyday earners. It's flexible, rewarding, and perfectly suited for anyone who loves to fly with Air Canada or its partners.